ഹലോ ടു ഓൾ ആർ ലിസ്ണേഴ്സ്. അപ്പോ അങ്ങനെ ഇത്തവണ ഞാൻ സൂം കോളിൽ നിങ്ങളെ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു 11 വയസ്സായ കുട്ടിയെയാണ്. 11-year-old സമൃദ്ധി കാലിയ ഇസ് ജോയിനിങ് us ടുഡേ. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ സമൃദ്ധിയെ ഇവിടെ കൊണ്ടുവരാനുള്ള റീസൺ, കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഒരുപക്ഷെ പത്രങ്ങളിൽ നിങ്ങൾ വായിച്ചു കാണും, ദുബായ് UAE നിന്നും ഒരു കുട്ടിക്ക് വേൾഡ് റെക്കോർഡ് കിട്ടി എന്നുള്ളത്. അതും 11ാമത്തെ വയസ്സിൽ. ഇത് ആദ്യത്തെ വേൾഡ് റെക്കോർഡ് അല്ല, ഇത് ഈ കുട്ടിയുടെ 3ാമത്തെ വേൾഡ് റെക്കോർഡാണ്. So I have great pleasure of bringing to you Samruddhi Kalia from Ambassador School. Hey, big hi to you, Samruddhi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. I don't know how much of it that you followed. I know you're not a Malayali. So which part of India are you from?
I'm from Punjab.
At a very, very young age, you've made it into the Guinness World Record. We want to let you know that we're super proud of you, Samruddhi. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You have made 3 world records. One is for 40 advanced yoga postures in 1 minute inside a small box. And then it was fastest 100 yoga postures performed in a restricted space. And the latest was 100 yoga poses in a small box. We want to ask you, where did it all start from? 11 years, 3 world records. And where is this motivation coming from? Where is this inspiration coming from?
Actually, my biggest motivation is my grandmother. She wakes up early morning at 4 o'clock and she goes to the park and she does yoga. So whenever I have the school holidays and I go to India, I always love waking up with her and going to the park and doing yoga beside her. I look up to my nanny because she's 72, but still she does yoga. Apart from getting motivated by my nanny ji, there are other factors that motivated me, like a simple pat on the back motivates a child to do more. Imagine what impact would thousands of messages and phone calls would have on my mind frame.
I know. Are you swamped with phone calls and mails and interview requests?
Yeah, I've got many messages on my Insta account.
Okay, good. So Samruddhi, now at an age when half of the children are playing out on playgrounds and half of the children are really stuck to their parents, you have made a mark in the world already. But then I'm sure this has not been an easy journey, right? So where did it all start? At what age did you start yoga?
See, when I was a little kid, I always loved doing handstands and different postures against the wall. When I saw my nanny, my grandmother, practice yoga in a park with my mother, I thought to join them. And sometime after school, I saw some kids staying back for some classes. I wanted to see what it was about, so I asked my teacher, and after she told me what it was, I quickly ran to my mother and asked her to put me in the yoga classes. And after I joined the classes, just 4 months later, I went to my first competition in Malaysia, and I've been to many competitions since then.
Okay.
I love twisting my body into different postures, and the so-called hard postures, they seem easy for me.
Okay.
I love the feeling of the soothing calmness effect of what the meditation leaves behind.
Apart from doing yoga, what else do you do? What are your hobbies?
I play a lot of sports. I love sports, actually.
Nice.
See, I do ice skating. Sometimes, like in some weekends, we go to an ice skating place and we ice skate. We also play badminton, lawn tennis, swimming. We take walks around, then I do cycling.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Tell me, what is your ambition now? You have made a mark for yourself in such a small span of time. What do you want to become?
See, once you stop learning, you stop growing. Yoga is such a vast field. I want to gain as much knowledge as possible during my life. yoga is gaining popularity all across the globe.
Yeah.
I too would like to spread this ancient practice, ancient Indian practice, to the rest of the world. But as of now, I'm taking one step at a time and focusing on my present.
Excellent. So I'm sure your friends must be so proud of you. Your teachers must be so proud of you. So I'm sure there might be children now seeing this video. What would you like to tell to them, Samriddhi? You know, at a very young age, you have shown that if you are hardworking, if you keep at it, you can definitely achieve the impossible. So what would you like to tell them?
See, yoga is an art as well as it's a science. It's a science because it tells us techniques to control our body and mind, because of which the meditation is possible. It's an art because if the regular practice isn't done, it doesn't give the desired results.
Yeah.
You should start yoga during your childhood when there is full flexibility on the body, and so you can get the maximum benefits out of it. Actually, there is no age to start, but still, with age, the flexibility of the body decreases. Yoga, it relaxes the mind. So for kids like my age and all, it will help in mental concentration and in their studies. So the real message is, if we want to pursue our dreams, for that, hard work, commitment, and dedication go hand in hand. Every time, I always challenge myself to do something much better than before. And discipline in life is another important factor which people mostly ignore. So I always follow and believe in the principle that all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So work hard in silence, let success be your noise, and I feel that my greatest asset is not my physical ability, it's my mental ability.
Wow! 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 I am amazed, Samriddhi. I mean, you know, coming out of a 11-year-old, this is just mind-blowing.
Thank you.
We're very, very proud of you and very happy to have connected with you, Samriddhi, and I wish you all the very best. So what's in store for us next? When is the next world record coming up?
I'm going to practice for different types of world records, and I'm going to try to do as many as I can.
Wow. All the very best to you, Samriddhi. We're very, very proud of you again. So I wish you all the very best, good health and happiness, and keep making us proud and keep making your parents proud too.
Thank you. Same to you.
Hit 96.7 FM.